Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G200. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning enter Google Pay, tap Get Started, and now it will be great to reset the app because interface has changed. Now, as you can see, this is the homepage of Google Pay, and from here you can add payment method, add different types of cards, manage all your payment methods, check list of participating banks, your full activity, settings, and in settings you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes and offers and tips. Also you can edit your account info. Next, we've got contactless setup where you can set payment method, see if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if your phone has set a lock screen, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.